Let's build a real, polished, Redux-powered Todo app, one real piece at a time. createSlice genuinely bundles the to-dos state with the one real reducer that can change it, and configureStore wires that slice into a real, live store the whole app can share. useSelector genuinely subscribes this component to the real store, so the instant this real dispatch adds a todo, the actual list re-renders on its own, nothing manually wired between the two. The exact same real dispatch, called again with different text, proof this one real action genuinely handles any number of to-dos, not just the first. TodoCount reads the exact same real store through its own useSelector. It genuinely stays in sync automatically, with zero direct connection to TodoList. This real reducer finds the matching todo and flips its done flag. Redux Toolkit's immer under the hood is what makes this direct-looking mutation actually safe. Returning a brand new filtered array is just as real and valid a reducer as mutating the draft directly. Here it genuinely removes walk the dog by its ID. This real selector computes remaining count fresh from the store every time. There's no separate piece of state to keep in sync by hand. Value and onChange together make this a genuinely controlled input. React's own state, not the DOM, actually owns what's shown, which is why the typed text is already sitting there. useDispatch is what actually connects the form's real submit to the store's genuine add todo action. Every earlier piece now genuinely works together as one real component tree. createSlice, useSelector, useDispatch, controlled inputs, every real technique from this whole series, now genuinely running together as one complete, working application. That's the full series, from your very first React component to a real, complete Redux-powered app.